go.
But nurse Brown, people use people papers to travel for truth, you know. You understand? Me think me hear about them something there, but that not
Those are
Nurse Brown.
stuff in our 80s.
Nurse Brown, listen, me not want nobody on my side, me not justify anything, but me just I said, God Almighty, all of them something here where people attack and dep on platform attack about me. All of them, me I say all. Me I say all because none is not true. I'm the type of bitch that will come out here and tell you what is real and what is true from what is not. Cause me no want to go find nothing for me as some stay. Me no want to go dig and find nothing. People, when me tell them something that I have no file, you better not tell me something.
All right, me
because
have one honest question. Me ask you an honest question, Bling, because as we say, we are two grown people and we are going to agree to disagree. You think in any part in your life, you think you don't find it where you and Khandy can come on one common ground? That's the only problem with me. I said.
All right, so let me tell you about Khandy
right.
now. You know, say Khandy blew this thing out of proportion and I blow this thing out of proportion. None of you say me don't stop, you know. Khandy a 22-year-old, me a 43.
What could that be your daughter?
Yes. Why none of you look all you walk a talk about how me
well, no big deal. We have no opportunity. Me and I don't have a one-on-one talk, Blinga. Well, on the big B. Me and I have a one. That's my only concern, Blinga. Me will tell you straight up. That's because me I said to myself, say, me mind 22 to 43. That could have more than be your daughter. That is only my only concern where me I said to myself, say, if you no could have a common ground. Because look at life this way, you know, Blinga. Me don't know how you look on it, but me think you miss out on a great opportunity.
No, it's not a great opportunity. Let me say this to you.
Not a great, all right, opportunity then. And it's
no. Let me say this to you. Who's talking?
Me, Os.
The Os. Listen to me, Os. Listen. Khandy told a lie on me. Said me cuss her picnic. That was a lie. We've been asking for the screen recording.
That's not what Khandy said, but and I feel my business that when I take cuss Dawn yesterday, that feel me question.
Me never cuss Dawn. Me never cuss Dawn.
So
let me answer. Let me talk to you first.
Well, I'm a big B. We all get the opportunity. Me and I
just me go talk to you. You see, because no let me tell you this about you, so. You can't do things like this. Not because you don't hate girl or not like girl, you don't feel like someone just throw things pan girl. Remember me on that talk to me can't throw nothing down my throat.
Me okay one-on-one. As me say, just the Khandy situation, me I said to myself.
And we're speaking about that.
Yes, because me I said to myself, say, like, me grown just like you, Miss Blinga. So some things me always say, make we be the bigger person. So that is the only thing what me that they say. If you don't think you can come.
All right, so me go answer you.
Yes.
Let me answer you as a big woman now. Come here, going to a big woman realm. Yes. Khandy say me cuss her picnic. We don't know about that. Me say watch out here.
We know about some fundraising.
Me say watch out here. So you know my style. Hear me? Okay, send out the screen recording. Where's screen recording? Cause you know how me go on. We can't find a screen recording. Khandy come back again and Khandy say when she was at her lowest, me do something again or no make people something she say. All right.
With it. Must be some fundraiser. She will have you and stop it. Something like that.
All right, remember me just company up. Everything me I do, the people them run comment on the comment and say this and say that and say re and say tea. I say okay, all right, no, all right then we not go this then we not go help then. And the people them I wanna know this as a fact. I never know nothing. Wanna know me not know nothing what people tell me and them do this in my comment. You guys know I don't know these people business. So anyway, you know, she come and Khandy do everything. I'ma say you're not getting a hype off for me, no Khandy. Go work your way up. Here's a pretty girl. Work your way up. Right? All right. Fine. She go over down and she get the little hype. Me blood clot. Khandy create a scene pan the media and tell a bunch of blood clot lies for me. And me not say nothing. Me day a bill. No, I never see when time me bill. Me no remember what she said. So one day now, me get up and me click me live. And when me click me live, me talk about Khandy and Donia. Remember me never go in, you know. Me never go in. And at that alone, me do and stop. My husband say, B, you need to stop them thing. I say, B, stop them cussing you upon the internet. Come on, I'm my husband, and if me have respect for him, I have to stop, right? Me sure know everybody see me take a couple step back. Me sure know people see me calm down upon the cussing and the craziness. So me say, okay, Miss host, that was the only time I went out and I said anything. Listen what go on now. Can they keep on clicking live? Can they keep on trying to bring me down? Can they get the people them to believe what you want them to believe and add up a lot of story? I'm not say anything. I'm sure you guys know I can go in with videos, with pictures, with a lot of things that would make you cry. The people them tell me say Khandy are 22. Me say trust. Me no bother look, me don't look, stop look. The poster, the flyer, Khandy send to the lady and tell the lady how me a trouble her and she get the screen recording for truth, which me did that. Remember one time me did go, they go talk and me a go on with myself, but me a tell myself never did fully go in. I did not. Right? Cause me that talk about Donia too. No, nobody no see say Donia this me no. Uno go sue me answer. Then uno go talk, not uno or whosoever say me bad mind. Who me fi bad mind on the internet when me have my own eye, me have my own clothes? Like seriously. Then me done. Host, me done have a Khandy host. I swear to you, me done. Me nah answer, me nah do no, me nah cuss, nothing. Alright then no. When the lady send a voice note to somebody to tell me say, she's not gonna need me anymore because she get to realize that she don't need a host anymore, and when she keep her next party, then she will acute come and whatever. No, I promoted that party. I'm not upset anymore, you know. Don't feel like I feel anyway, you know. You understand? Because remember, I'm a citizen here. I can fly go anywhere I want. 17 parties I turned down. And this one, I said, you know what? Raja go, so let me go. Mackerel go, and Daima. You guys know I'm gonna say yes to this. True, because them I go. No. I think I'm not into anything with Khandy. I'm not cause Khandy. I'm not afraid of Khandy. But the host, the promoter, my problem. Me feel like the promoter is wrong the way how she deal with the situation, because she should have called us. Or people should have sent.
Yeah, me understand that the part there. Because even this morning, me I said to myself, say, look for Anna 22, Khandy at 22, and people still say Anna fi do good for himself. So at the end of the day, if Khandy try to do good, why then would they try to tear down Khandy?
Alright, so me nah do it because she young. When me first, when Khandy ready, Khandy go click live and talk about, me not take nothing serious to the people. I just do because, no, well, you cannot say certain things about people where you know it's not true, certain way. Because, yeah, defame them like that, myself included. You understand? So now, listen to this now. Me say this promoter is really wrong. She said she going to speak to me after the party. Guys, what the bumble clat you going to speak to me for? What you going to speak to me about?
My promoter still have your passport then?
No. Was there a contract between you and the promoter?
This is why me not talk certain things. I'm not hear what me say. You see me not say anything. Just see me not say anything. I just tell my fans, my fans and my supporters them say, guys, I am not going to be going to England. But them entitled to hear that. Now, when me say the promoter should not take programming and take that. Remember, say Khandy say she fear for her life, you know, she no want to know what me there because she can do in the house and think she asleep. Or you know, remember where the girls up on the life. So as a promoter,
she never want to be around everyone because she don't know who to trust. That's
all right. So as a promoter, what would you do? Let us speak facts.
Yeah, but in a way that's a me da give it a 50-50. You know why? Remember, say everybody now go there in a one room, you know, so I know like maybe you and her go sleep. Most places where you go for stuff like that, they maybe put two people in a one room. I don't think everybody will go bungle up in a one room. But at the end of the day,
they got a house. They all got their own room. But remember, originally,
Blinga, let me ask you a good question, you know. Me as one like a 22-year-old and you one bigger woman to you. Me don't know what you going to do. Me not say we pick up for Khandy, you know. Remember saying,
no, it's fine. It's fine. I don't have a problem.
Remember say 22-year-old, you know, is still one like a picnic, you know. Me I go afraid for you, you know. Whenever you understand what me.
All right. listen to me. Look at your comment section. Listen to this big pussy girl. Oh, me sleep on Khandy. Where? Tell the people. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Me never come over here about no Khandy, you know. And you ask me about this, you know. I never come over here about this, you know. I come to tell you guys, to tell the lady in the comments, listen, this is the thing. This is the thing with some of you people. You guys never ever serious about anything. It's always fucking bring down and stuff when there's truth staring in on a blood clot face. You people will never be serious about anything. Host, I am done with the Khandy situation, host.
Okay.
I am done because guess what? I am 43. Let them say me afraid of them. Everybody who me not answer them say me afraid of them. Let them go and say that. Because none.
Oh, she get passed. Oh, we got news.
Maybe she get a call.
No, none of them can see me anywhere. None of these people on the internet who threatens me and everything can see me anywhere and do me anything because I don't threaten people. You guys have never heard me threatening anyone. That is not my style. None of them can see me anywhere and do me anything. And when they do see me somewhere and do me anything, they cannot come back on the media.
But you see, and this is why it gone too far. Like, to be honest, Blinga not hurt nobody.
You need to stop it, Nurse
Blinga
Brown.
not hurt nobody. Physically, she might, a mix up is her content. Drama and stuff like that is her content. So sometimes people take it too far and too personal.
Exactly, and Nurse Brown, when they see me, Nurse Brown, these people see me in real life and they can't even come up to me.
Yeah, but sometimes the same people them see
Blinga, you wasn't completely honest. You're not completely honest.
Honest with what? What are you talking about?
Everything.
You automatically hate me, so you will say anything. Tell me what I'm not honest about.
It's not automatic. It's not.
What am I not honest about? Tell the people. So tell the people what I'm not honest about.
You're not honest about the Khandy situation, and you're not honest about the Dawn thing.
What about the Dawn?
About the Khandy.
All right, what about the Dawn? Since you have my attention, because it's a long time you need it. What about the Dawn and what about the Khandy?
I don't need it. You know what, my God, because I don't need the attention. That's
the blood clot, go on, because when you come and say you have a problem with me. Go on.
Bad to bad, Blinga never cursed Dawn. Probably disagree. I mean, I don't know, recently the disagreement about Throne and Queen and blah, blah, blah. But bad to bad,
Nurse Brown,
Dawn can say that.
Listen, Nurse Brown, me say this all the while. Dawn confuse me. You know why me can't say Dawn confuse me, Nurse Brown?
Dawn don't want Queen of crown. She don't want her crown. It's not about that.
Nurse Brown, listen why I said Dawn confuse me. 1 minute, Donna says she like me, and she will never, her mouth and me will never meet, right? And Nurse Brown Dawn allow the people them in her box to sit there and bring me down and talk a bag of things about me, and I do not have
that's
people on my platform.
Blinga, that's not
sit down and a class Dawn.
Blinga, that's not true.
You see the TikTok liar was sitting beside of Dawn right now? That lady have so much to say about me, and Dawn will never tell her to shut up because she's in Dawn head. You understand? Which is that's their business. What happened, Nurse Brown? Me and Dawn gonna play a match, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm speaking to Nurse Brown and the host.
Me never say anything to you.
So maybe you need to shut up and me and talk to the host and Nurse Brown.
You're not gonna speak to me like that.
So shut the fuck up and don't ask me nothing. So don't ask me nothing. Your opinion, keep it to yourself.
You're not going to talk to me like that because I wasn't disrespecting you, so you don't come disrespecting me, Blinga.
Big B, we are going to agree to disagree.
Yeah, me go leave, Me go come back one time you get them gone, because somebody in the comments attack to me and I respond to them, but just because I fear people them comments attack to me and I respond to them, but just because I fear people them
Mute Big B. Oh, I feel Blinga. Mute and unmute, but I'll draw down your screen, Blinga. Draw down your screen. All right, go ahead now, Blinga.
You're attacking me.
No, somebody in a comment she didn't answer for 2 hours.
No, but she's telling me I'm lying. I'm lying about the Khandy situation and I'm lying about the Dawn situation. I don't understand you. You want to be in an argument. You want to speak to me. Just let us speak civilized and stop this nonsense. You can't just come because you believe that I'm lying. I'm here to say I'm not lying about anything. What am I lying about? Why we can't talk like civilized
Guys,
people?
don't add nobody else up in the box. Don't add nobody up in the box. Don't add nobody up in the box. Go on now, Blinga.
Listen to me. I said Dawn confuses me. Because 1 minute Dawn will say one thing and the next minute Dawn says something else make me feel like, Lord Jesus, what is this? No, I heard. Maybe I this them I talk about with me and the lie. I heard say them say me I go play a match with her November 20, whatever. If them say Dawn say me agree if we play a match with her, me not go say a lie cause maybe me must say it for truth. Like she would say, if she want play a match with me, say, okay, anytime you're ready. Maybe me say it. Me no know. Me not go say me no say it. Maybe me say it cause knowing me is very nice. Me always do things for people and with people and want to help people. That's how I am. A lot of things I don't get around to do. No, even if I say and tell her that I would play the match with her, I'm not saying she's lying. If she said Mrs. So then Mrs. So then. I could say Mrs. So then, right? No. After all of this that I'm seeing, why would I want to play any match with Dawn? I cannot take I'm confused. Like, I don't, I'm trying to understand her.
You know, me have to be honest with you, you know, Bling. Me kind of confused by your end, you know, because day before yesterday, me see you in a Dan box. And then
the only reason I was there is because RT was telling a lie on me. And that's what I'm saying. Listen, Dan said she don't have any problem with me. That's why I go on her platform. If I know you have a problem with me, you know, you the host, I'm not going to come on here, you know. Because why would I want to come on here when I know you have a problem with me? No, RT cannot tame. I've given so much. I've put up with so much with RT. And everybody know RT run away my people. Send me this, send me that. My people did not come to me, not one of them. And I just leave it alone. What am I going to do? Then what happened is, look at what is going on now. Don saw the damage that TikTok lawyer did to me. And I cannot tell nobody who to talk to. And this lady is on there belittling me, trying to bring me. What if I didn't have thick skin?